Gearheads and sneaker fans, this collaboration brings basketball, street racing, and pop culture together in a big way. LaMelo Ball teams up with Puma and the Fast and Furious movie franchise for a special Puma Mb.05 inspired by the iconic 1994 Toyota Supra from the first film. That legendary orange Supra was driven by Brian O'Connor and became a symbol of street racing history after being rebuilt into a true performance machine. Its legacy remains strong and emotional for fans of the franchise. The Puma Mb.05 arrives in a bold orange colorway with yellow and silver accents inspired by the Supra's original graphics. Black details on the heel are finished with Fast and Furious branding and LaMelo's signature wings logo. Known for his love of exotic cars, LaMelo continues to blend his passion for hoops and motorsports. Reports also suggest more Fast and Furious-inspired Puma sneakers are on the way. The collection is expected to release on February 12, 2026, in adult and grade school sizes.